Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. So today I'm going to be making a tropical fruit smoothie. I'm using my NutriBullet for this, though you can use any blender you have. And to get started, I have my frozen fruit. So I have these Dole Crafted Smoothie Blends, tropical fruit blend, and it has pineapple, bananas, mango, and dragon fruit. So these come in individual serving size. So I have one here that I'm going to be adding to my blender cup. All right, so next I'm going to be adding some Greek yogurt. All right, so the Greek yogurt is in. It's going to make it nice and creamy. And the next thing we're going to be adding is some milk. And lastly, for some added sweetness, we're going to be adding a drizzle of honey. All right, so we're going to add our lid and get ready to blend. All right, and we end up with this beautiful pink smoothie that we're ready to pour into our glass. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. And we'll see you back here next time at Recipes Mania. Bye.